Tables are a great way to organize complex information, but we do need to take certain steps to make them accessible for all users, especially those who rely on assistive technologies. If you are planning on putting a table into your Canvas page, just make sure that it's the best way to convey your info. Tables should be used for tabular data, where there are row or column headings and a clear relationship between the data, and not just for visual layout purposes. In Canvas, you can insert a table by selecting Insert from the toolbar and choosing the number of rows and columns that you need. And then once your table is added and set up, it is important to make sure that you have headers. Headers act as signposts, especially for screen reader users, to help them understand how information is organized within the table. So let's go in and add table headers to this table that we have right here. To add headers, click inside of the table and open Design Tools, this little rocket ship icon. Choose this tab on the far left, Edit Current Element, and then open the Advanced menu right here, if it's not already open. Here you can select column headers if you have headers in the top row of your table, or row headers if you have headers in the first column of your table, or you could select both if your table has both in its layout. So in our case, it makes most sense for us to set the items in this first column here to be headers for each row. So we are going to select the row headers option. Every table should also include a caption. So in this same Design Tools menu right here, we're just going to select the caption box, and we can just add a short little description that describes the contents of the table. There are a few more things that you can do to make your table even more readable. These are optional, but they do make your table look really nice, and they're pretty easy to apply. So one of these is that you can zebra stripe your table, which just means you're adding alternating row colors by selecting this striped rows option in this same advanced menu here. You can also change the table style and border to more neatly space and present your information. So just select the Style menu. Under Base Style, you can just go ahead and select Canvas, and Border Style, you can select All. By following these steps, you're just going to be creating a good accessible table that's going to be organized and easy for everyone to use.